going to the hill cunt. Supposed to be a car meet up here, so we're gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna spam the shit out of motherfucking people with it. Spamming time, baby. It's spamming time. Is there gonna be a car meet up here or what? Let's see. I see some cars. Where does it meet? I don't see no goddamn meet up here. Ain't no goddamn car meet up here. Is that side right now? Let's go over there.
Let's go to Sonic.
We're going to Sonic's? Let's go see some Sonic.
Right near your house, man.
Huh?
You don't want to get in trouble right near your house, man. They have corns in there, man, and they have fucking
Corn. Yeah, corn.
They got corns in there.
Corn.
Yeah, they got corn.
How about some corn on the cob? Do you have some corn on the cob?
You actually, do you know?
2 hours later.
So it wasn't at the pagoda, so now it's over here. So now we're gonna go over here and spam some motherfucking people. Let's see who I can spam. Look at this shit here. Motherfucking cars, that'd be fucking weird. I don't see no fucking bikes, it's scaring me. Where? Okay. As long as I see some bikes, I'm not scared. You know what time it is, right? It's spamming time, bitch. Look at this shit. The bikes. Bikes, bitches, bikes.
Yo, you guys have YouTube channels?
Yeah.
Where you at?
There you go, buddy.
You know, Jogo, something like that.
Jogo?
Gojo, something like that.
I'm not sure. There's a lot of them I know. So,
Subscribe to him.
alright, cool. There you go. These are your buddies right there. You're gonna be on my video, man. This is where you see everybody at. This is a beach right here. Ain't nothing better like muscle cars. They got turbo. That's a nice FTI right there. Got FTI. We got Acura. Got neon lights. Got halos. Got a Mustang right here. Got a motherfucking Camaro right here. Oh shit. We got piston rods there. Oh yeah, that's red bomb or piston rods? No, I don't know who it is. It's probably piston rods. Is that Genesis right there? That's some Hyundai.
This little should be going though.
Do you guys watch YouTube? I got some YouTube cards for you guys. There you go.
I spend hours on YouTube, so why not? What is it, like you doing like hill climbing?
I do more vlogs and all kinds of shit.
Oh, word? That's what's up.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
But I still ride doing that four and popping willies, yeah. And 50 bottles make them.
Oh, I'm about to get ran over. Damn, man. Beautiful, yo. Nice and clean. You don't see this every day. He got a party bike. A motherfucking party bike. It's just on sit, yo. Fucking SNS. That's beautiful, yo. That shit is fucking beautiful. That's a Harley, right? Fucking beautiful, yo. Original, man. Original. I got roll cage and everything. Oh shit. Same one you had.
Like the one I had.
Yeah.
There you go. That's fair.
Well, guys, this is my 300 subscriber right here. So everybody look him up. He's a new motor vlogger. There goes his name right there. Yeah. Everybody check that out. Check him out. We'll find another Pennsylvania motor vlogger. Oh, this is Motor Virus, Anti-Rican, and Fran. Untitled. Over and out. Willmatic over and out. See you in the next video. Peace.